In this video, we'll guide you through how to turn off Fortnite Parental Controls. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. Open up a browser on any device you like and then go and search for Epic Games. And then go to the Epic Games website, which is epicgames.com. Once it loads, you then need to go to the top right of the website and click on your profile icon. This will take you to a login screen, and then what you will do is to sign in here. Or you can go and continue with another account at the bottom here. Once you've signed in, then go to the top right and hover over your profile icon. Then go and click on Account. This will take you to your account settings. And then all you need to do is head over to the left and click on Parental Controls. Now you'll need to go and enter the PIN which was set up. Somebody who set your parental controls up, they'll need to go and enter the PIN for you or go and do it themselves. Then, you'll be taken to the parental controls. And now what you can do is to go and change them. Here we can find settings such as always requiring a PIN for purchases, which you can turn off. And there are more settings here at the top. As you can see, there is a Social Permissions tab and also Fortnite Permissions tab. In the Social Permissions tab, we have some options. For example, you may not want to have to enter a PIN every time you want to add a friend. And you can also go and change the voice chat settings and the text chat settings as well. In the Fortnite Permissions tab, we have some other options. For example, you may want to go and allow Creative Mode and Unreal Editor for Fortnite. Or you may want to go and change language settings. This is just a brief example of what you can do in the settings. Explore more yourself. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video, and see you in the next one.